Was with all the T-nuts and everything, with the plexiglass that we had. I don't think it was...
Alright, thanks for watching. Give them a like. Use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
How are you doing today?
Great, man. It's getting cold.
I know, right?
Did you tell me your name and what's in here?
Yeah, Jason Armentrout. I'm with Team Insane Audio. I have a single Defbonce SA305 dual 2 wired to 1 ohm, going into an Orion 2500 XTR Pro. Like I said, wired to 1. I have the Terramps 400x4 for my mids, and it's just the my door speakers up here, the Scar, what is it? They're like $20 a piece, the mid ranges that just they have. It's the DXRs, I believe.
All right, man.
But yeah, I mean, they do what I need to get done.
Man.
I was just trying.
Yes, sir. On head unit power. Oh, you know your Terramp's 400x4?
Yeah, 400x4.
Yes, sir. All right. Nice. Looks good. You built the box?
That was built by Nathan Wetzel. He does Slothworks enclosures. That's a 3-to-1 ratio, 4th order. It was originally 12.5 cubic feet, so it wound up being a little over 3 cubic feet, I think, sealed, and then the ported, I believe, is set 9.
Yes, sir.
So,
all right.
Yeah, she does pretty good for what she does. So.
Yep. Where's your window to go down?
Oh yeah, the window's right over here.
Oh, there it is. Okay.
Yeah, all the windows are in the middle console.
All right.
So.
Sweet. No worries, man.
Yeah, she peaks for about 40 hertz, I think. Is where we got at the port. That port still needs to be worked on a bit, but
yes, sir. Can I see the back?
Yeah. Let me get the should be hot. You got 350 amp alternator too. This is I actually had a friend of mine that had a Liberty of the same year and everything, so I got it off of him for a steal for 150 bucks.
Oh yeah.
I got him and Snowball too. He turned around and looked at it too. He's like, what?
The biggest thing was with all the T-nuts and everything, with the plexiglass that we had. I think it was about probably $75 from the plexiglass, but we've been having a problem with these threads on these T-nuts. It's not catching on the inside. It seems to be a problem with these, but the whole enclosure needs to be sealed off, and she's doing that 143.9. So we're almost there.
All right.
I did have a what was it? American Base HD dual 1 wired to half. I think the last time you seen me, I had a smaller box. Yes, sir. We blew that out at the Stony Creek show. So.
Yes, sir. Awesome. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I do daily cardio videos. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around of Jason's system. I went ahead also and added a link in the description. This is his thumbnail from his previous system with a sealed subwoofer box for a single sub. So definitely recommend checking that out as well after we get to this bass demo in a minute. So shout out to you, Jason, if you're watching. Everybody be sure to give him a thumbs up, as well as comment and let him know what you think about his system. Definitely a good thing that he did with making this a single subwoofer in the back of his vehicle. I like the beauty panel he has here with the plexiglass seal that he was talking about. Did a really good job with that. Also making this a 3-to-1 ratio, so that bottom chamber underneath where the subwoofer is inverted is the sealed section and right under 3 cubes, I think he said. And then the ported section on the top end here, you can see into it, is the around 9 cube mark. So that's what makes that 3-to-1 ratio. If you divide the 9 and 3, that equals 3-to-1. So that's what makes the ratio. Hopefully I taught somebody that. Also, having the port extended out the way he did helped lower his tuning to peak in the low 40 hertz range. So he did a really good job. May not be the cleanest install on the wiring job, but he gets the job done on a single 2500 watt Orion amplifier. So looking forward to showing y'all what this thing sounds like. Shout out to you, Jason, once again for showcasing this system. This was at the Ruckus and Chill Show in Fayetteville, North Carolina of 2021. So go ahead and enjoy the bass demo. Thank y'all for watching. All right. Thanks for watching. Give him a like. Yeah, I'd love to hear, man.
Yeah, let's see here.
I don't know if it's louder windows down or up.
I don't think nobody's really said anything.
So we'll probably be fine
I
with it
think
just
most
kind
of them
of
were
Okay,
doing it for
sure.
a raffle. I don't know what time they're doing it. I know Jason.
Buttholes Pucker. It's DJ Rusticles.
Tryna get to you and that booty. Tryna get to you and that booty. Girl, I've been shaking and jacking the donkey. Tryna get to you and that monkey. Tryna get to you and that monkey. Tryna get to you and in the club with a living. Now listen, what you gon' do with this baby? What you gon' do with this baby? Girl, I'ma call you later on the night or tomorrow. I'ma follow what you gon' do with this bottle. What you gon' do with this bottle? Girl, I pick the blind. Look up on that ass in the brand new trunk. Cause all glass, the truck just now. He's in the dash, rims just won't stop. You can be down with a pimp like me. I ain't coming down with my collar, you see. I'ma leave you with my number, you should holler at me. Cause I'm a baller, can't nobody hustle harder than me. Girl, I've been shaking, sticking and moving. Tryna get to you and that booty. Tryna get to you and that booty. Tryna get to you and that booty. Girl, I've been shaking and moving. Listen, what you gon' do with this baby? What you gon' do? Girl, I pick the blind. Look up on that ass in the brand new trunk. Cause all glass, the truck just now. He's in the dash, rims just won't stop.
Yeah, she peaks for about 40 hertz, I think.
Okay.
Is where we got at the port. That port still needs to be worked on a bit, but
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.